pit forge kit. I know I said I would possibly Saturday have the Master Stilla video uploaded and all, but I haven't had time to finish it. I'm actually working on a full slew of knives and everything and all right now. It gets ready for the blade show. I've got roughly 6.5 days left before I actually drive over to Atlanta. So instead, I'm going to show you my rack. Oh yeah, it's a nice one too. You'll like it. It's kind of sexy. Hold on. There it is. A basket 8-point rack. How you like that? Oh, you meant my tong rack. Well, I really don't have a tong rack, but I'll show you what I got. I've got my anvil stand that holds my hammers and my tongs. It is actually old belts that I just made loops and attached it, and it works good. And as I expand my tongs and stuff, I will actually go all the way around the anvil with it. But for right now, it's just these two sides. See, nothing on the front. But there you go. Showed you my rack and where I store my hammers and tongs. Y'all have a blessed one. Talk to you later. Bye.